Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 Lite, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app, which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen like that and enter the settings, which should be in this upper bar. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see here we've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard to get access to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got pretty impressive list of the languages, so simply find yours and tap on it. Let me pick this one. Sometimes you can pick the region. And here we've got the keyboard layouts, basically, and the number of those depends on the language. Sometimes you've got only one, and sometimes up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So let me pick this one, let me mark it, and untick this option because I only want to use this one. So let's tap on Done. And as you can see, the language has been applied to the list. So we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically we'll have 2 differences. The first one is the globe icon, which will allow us to change the language. So right now we've got English, and after tapping on it we've got the Urdu one. What is more, we've got the second difference, so the space bar, it is not empty anymore, because right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. It will change accordingly to the layout. If you want to remove the language from this list because you want to have only one language, then all you have to do is to enter the settings again, tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language, and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, and the keyboard looks like just like at the very beginning of this video, so without the globe icon, and the spacebar is empty, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.